150 sentences for beginners. Jane likes apples. Jane likes apples. Negative. Jane doesn't like apples. Jane doesn't like apples. Yes/no question. Does Jane like apples? Does Jane like apples? WH question. What does Jane like? What does Jane like? Tag question. Jane likes apples, doesn't she? Jane likes apples, doesn't she? She has a cat. She has a cat. Negative. She doesn't have a cat. She doesn't have a cat. Yes/no question. Does she have a cat? Does she have a cat? WH question. What does she have? What does she have? Tag question. She has a cat, doesn't she? She has a cat, doesn't she? He is my friend. He is my friend. Negative. He isn't my friend. He isn't my friend. Yes/no question. Is he my friend? Is he my friend? WH question. Who is he? Who is he? Tag question. He is my friend, isn't he? He is my friend, isn't he? The sun is hot. The sun is hot. Negative. The sun isn't hot. The sun isn't hot. Yes/no question. Is the sun hot? Is the sun hot? WH question. How is the sun? How is the sun? Tag question. The sun is hot, isn't it? The sun is hot, isn't it? They go to school. They go to school. Negative. They don't go to school. They don't go to school. Yes/no question. Do they go to school? Do they go to school? WH question. Where do they go? Where do they go? Tag question. They go to school, don't they? They go to school, don't they?